So I was just checking the Java API, and we have three methods that we want to do, and I'm going to put their signatures up here. So we've got our size method, of course. We also have our public v get k key, which simply asks that if this key exists in the hash table, we're going to return the value associated with it. Right? Obviously, we need to put keys there first. So public v, and this is the way that the Java API has it specified, which I'll show you right here. Put, right? Public v put, so it returns a type v. And if you check this and pause right here, you can read it, but I'll explain it. But public v put k key v value, right? Just like we don't have an add method that adds a node. We don't have a method here that takes in an entry, right? The entries are just completely internal. They don't really, we don't expose their existence to the user at all. So put a k key and a v value, and the v we return here is we return the old value that was bound to the key. So the old value for the key value pairing, or null if there was none to begin with. So I'm just going to return null here to, again, quash the error. When coding, remember, always desirable to never have any errors. So that's why we're going to return null here. Some people like to have, return an exception or throw an exception instead to say that, hey, we're trying to do this, run it, it throws an exception instead. But I like to just return null. And then finally, public v remove k key, and that destroys a binding between a key and anything there. So if the key exists here, we're going to destroy the binding between the key k and the value, and it won't exist in the table anymore. And we'll return the value if it got removed. Otherwise, we'll return nothing. So those are our three methods that we're going to do.